Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. As you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my wash day routine and basically how I maintain the clean white finish. If you are a blondie, this one is for you. If you're not, you can stick around to see how I style and lay my hair as you see it. And without wasting any more of your precious time, let's jump right into it. So the first product I'll be using is the L'Oreal Elvive Purple Shampoo. Those who've watched my how to bleach your hair tutorial know how much I absolutely love this product and how much I rave about it. I feel like it's honestly all you need to maintain the white clean look and just keep your hair vibrant. I'll link it down in the description box as well as the rest of the products I'll be using in this video. I applied on damp hair just as I would normal shampoo, and then I massage it into my scalp and then I just let it sit for about 10 minutes. I use this product once every second week or just when I feel like my hair is losing its color, but I honestly have never used this product more than twice a month. After I let it sit for 10 minutes, I rinse it off. I'm going to rinse it off camera and I rinse it off with lukewarm water. This is how it looks after I've rinsed it off. You can't really see it on camera, but there's still a bit of that purple color left over. So I'm going to grab my Organics 2-in-1 shampoo just to get rid of that color. I whip it onto my head and massage it into my scalp for about a minute and a half, just to make sure that the color is out, and then I'm gonna rinse it off camera with lukewarm water again. These are the results after I rinse off the shampoo. I just want to mention that this is now the 4th week since I've bleached my hair. It's been a month. As you can see that my hair is growing out, but please just look at the color, guys. Like, it's so clean, it's so white. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tresemme Platinum Strength Repair and Protect conditioner. Emphasis on repair and protect, because we all know bleaching your hair and coloring it can leave it very damaged. I'm gonna rinse it off with cold water instead of lukewarm water this time around, just to make sure that the moisture is locked in. Soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to styling. I'm gonna grab my Perfect Touch Freezing Gel. Perfect Touch has a whole range of gels, but this one is my personal preference, mainly because it has an extreme hold and it dries quicker, and because it is clear in color, but you can absolutely use any kind of gel that you wish to use. I'm gonna grab my Racktail comb and comb out my hair just to make sure that my hair is straight and not lumpy. I'm also gonna use it to style my hair and sleek it down the way that I like it. I really don't know how to explain how I style it, so I'm just gonna let the video play and then you can just watch me do it. last but not least, I'm gonna finish off my look with the Got To Be Glued freezing spray, just for that extra hold, especially around my edges, just to make sure that my hair doesn't lift or anything like that. When I'm done with that, I always wipe off the excess product around the perimeters of my head, and then I just let it air dry. You can use a hair dryer, or if you bougie, you can use an actual dryer, but ain't nobody got time for that. And that's it, guys. We've reached the end of my wash and style tutorial. I hope you guys found this video to be very helpful. If you're not already part of the In Demand family, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Love y'all. Bye.